I came across a raw and surreal video from rural India. A large bonfire lit for a traditional event, and then a man who herds goats begins to walk his flock around the fire. Once, twice, thrice. And then he steps away. But the goats keep going. Round and round they go. No leader, no destination. Just movement for the sake of movement, blindly following the one ahead. And suddenly, it's not just a circle. It's a cycle, a vicious, self-perpetuating loop. It reminded me of what we often see around us. In religion, in politics, in society. So many follow without question, without clarity, without understanding the true intent of the one they're following. Not because they believe, but because they're conditioned. Because stepping out of the circle takes courage. The fire in the middle may be real or imagined, but the fear, the motion, the blind, it's all too real. Ask yourself, are you thinking or are you following? Are you chasing purpose or are you circling the flame? If this made you pause, subscribe, share it to someone who needs to hear this. Give yourself some time to think about this, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you, my friend.